Hey everyone! In this video, I will show you how to have multiple languages on the Shopify store. But before we start, make sure to follow the video till the end and subscribe to the channel. First, from your Shopify store, click on Add Apps from your left. Now scroll down and click on Shopify App Store. Once you're there, search for language. Then, from the results, choose the app called AI Language Translate. It has a high rating. Click on the Install button given on it to install the app on your Shopify store. This is the first step. Once the app is installed, you can start setting up languages. Choose which languages you want to add. Click on Configure Languages. Now, search for the languages that you want to add. Click Add for each language you want. You can add up to 5 languages for free. The app will give you a public URL for each language. Make sure to turn the toggle on given right next to Publish. You can translate your store's content using the app in your desired language. You can also use the auto-translate feature. Once you're done, your Shopify store will be in multiple languages. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.